There are several advantages which make us choose metal furniture over other types. One of the main factors which make metal furniture designs preferable is their strength and durability. Metal offers a long life durability. There are no worries about warping, cracking, or splitting. The incredible strength of the material allows it to hold up to the many challenges of public spaces or private use. Regarding design options, there are several of them to choose from. Based on the specific purpose you are looking for and the requirements of the users, metal furniture can be made small or big, easy or complex. There are numerous artisans who make their living by making and selling metal furniture pieces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you metal furniture design ideas that you can make to sell and generate income. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As we all know, metal is heavier than wood or plastic of similar size. This means furniture pieces made of metal are not easily blown away even if you use them on a rooftop patio. Their heaviness also makes them often difficult to steal. So if you live in an area where theft is a threat, you can count on sturdy metal pieces to stay where they are as compared to other lighter furniture pieces. Metals can withstand climate changes better than any other material. Thus, they are the best when it comes to your garden or patios. If you are living in an apartment, a metal table and chairs or even a metal shelf can be a practical choice for your balcony. This means, during the monsoons or the summers, you need not bother to get the furniture inside. There are different methods of joining metal when making furniture pieces. These include riveting, welding, soldering, brazing, using bolts and nuts, among others. Mostly when steel furnishings are manufactured, they are fully welded to become one unit. This ensures that there are no parts or pieces to come off, no screws to come loose. In addition, welded furniture pieces require no assembly on site. Metal is fireproof, and in case of sudden fire breakouts or accidents, your furniture will be unscathed, saving you money and lending relief. At a time when environmental pollution is posing a huge challenge to our health and life, metal furniture seems to be the right choice. It can be easily recycled and does not involve cutting of trees or using too many chemicals. Another advantage of metal furniture is its low maintenance requirement. Steel furnishings do not need to be treated to maintain their finish. A powder-coated steel product simply can be washed with soap and water. Structurally, it is capable of lasting a lifetime with minimal maintenance. Comparatively, other furniture items such as wood require repeated maintenance to cover scratches and reapplication of finishes. Today's metal furniture is not monotonous as it comes in different styles and designs that can be as good looking as the wooden ones. You can also get combination furniture made from wood and metal, or you can opt for furniture painted in natural colors that may even look like wooden furniture. Thus, no matter what the theme of your decor is, you can get metal furniture that matches. Metal furniture does not take much space and can easily fit even in small areas. Thus, metal furniture can be handy for small apartments. Despite being durable and attractive, metal furniture is affordable. It is best for those who do not have a big budget to decorate their homes. Also, since it lasts long, the replacement cycle is also not frequent, which helps save your money. There is hardly any other kind of furniture as easy to maintain as metal furniture. As mentioned above, all you need is to either wipe it off clean with a piece of cloth or wash using regular soap and water. Rust may be a problem, but that too can be prevented with a fresh coat of paint. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked metal furniture design ideas that you can make to sell and generate income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.